Hi, Steve. It's great to see you again.
Likewise, Kevin, it's great to see you.
I hope the summer months have been kind to you and you've managed to get some time away following NAB in Las Vegas.
And not too much time away, but summer months have been pretty good. We had a little stretch where it got pretty warm for about 7 days, but right now it's kind of calmed down to a normal summer.
So, as we approach September, our thoughts turn to IBC at the Rye in Amsterdam.
They certainly do, Kevin. Can you give us a little taste of what Leader and PHABRIX will be showcasing at IBC this month?
I certainly can. Located in Hall 10, booth C01, we'll be showcasing our complete range of test and measurement products designed to make customers' transitions to the latest technologies as smooth as possible. So whether you're migrating from standard definition to HD, HD to UHD, SDR to HDR, SDI to IP, or on-premise to the cloud, the Leader and PHABRIX product portfolio collectively address the quality of experience and quality of service analysis requirements all broadcasters have to pay attention to.
Kevin, that's great to hear because at NAB in April, it was very clear that each customer has a different time scale and a different plan and how to upgrade their facilities. The increasing affordability of products combined with the proven versatility, reliability, looks at prolong the SDI IP transition through most of the present decade, if not longer. So it's great to see that Leader PHABRIX are continuing to develop and enhance our suite of SDI tools, as well as the suite of IP tools for the dual hybrid strategy. Having supported previous migrations from analog to digital, SD to HD, SDR to HDR, we are well placed to assist customers in their transition from SDI to IP and from on-premise to cloud with a suite of test and measurement tools, engineering tools, operational production staff will understand and trust.
And Steve, I understand that you're going to be making the trip across the pond and will be joining us again in Amsterdam in September at IBC.
I sure will this year again, Kevin. I really enjoyed this show last year. It was a lot of fun. It's always great to get in and actually see you, catch up with you and all of our friends and customers at the show. So from Friday, September 15th to Monday, September 18th in Hall 10 in booth C01 at the Rye in Amsterdam. We'll see you.
And me too. So if you're traveling to Amsterdam for IBC and would like to schedule an appointment with either Steve or myself, please do not hesitate to reach out using the email addresses below. And keep watching the Leader Europe and Leader America's YouTube channel, where Steve and I will continue to post new product and feature released videos. We look forward to seeing you in Amsterdam.
Yes, please. We always have a blast and we will see you in Amsterdam. Thanks a lot.
All the best.